Welcome to Honey Forex. This channel is dedicated to professional trading education, where we explain how experienced traders analyze markets, manage risk, and make disciplined decisions using institutional concepts.
Dear friends, how are you? I hope you are good. Today, our new fresh analysis again uploaded about gold chart. And this is our H4 chart. Yesterday we tell you about gold targets. Because we seeing here higher high and again market high breakout. So last night market breakout. This resistance area. And this resistance area was strong. But market breakout. Because major chart showing our bullish pressure. And market hit the target. Fibonacci reversal zone 161 we marked. Yesterday this area, but now again. Gold break out this area, also a Fibonacci retracement. So gold next target is 543054 at 5500. Next target of gold because this area is reversal too. 61 Fibonacci zone and we mark this area 56. Double zero. This area is a reversal zone of daily time frame chart. Fibonacci to 61, so here two zone mix so possible. Market will not break out this area. Because this area was strong to Fibonacci reversal zone both we seeing here. So our trade setup of today. Let's see H1M30 chart now. So this is our H1 chart of gold. Look here, market again made new high. Higher high, so we see here high low. Lower low QM again, we see here high low. Lower low QM a breakout with bullish candle. Strong bullish candle below, and here we see resistance, possible. And this is our trend line. Wait. Count 3 trend line, and so here if we look. This is our strong buy area. Resistance becomes support really base, really demand area with FVG. So FVG plus SN are plus demand zone. So this is very strong area. So our next target is we apply here. High to low Fibonacci look. Market already retested our reversal zone 1. 61. And second market reversal zone R. So 5500 roundabout. 54025. 600 roundabout. Because this here we already telling you here. Our reversal zone mixed. So this is very strong reversal zone. Our day look here. Looking first gold will go up. And then possible market will go down very fastly. So our trade setup is now. This. When market reached here, we take buy entry in this place. And our next target will be this area. And our stop loss will be below this area. And this is our strong area because Fibonacci. Golden ratio zone. Thanks. Look today, very high impact news of interest rate from Federal Open Market Committee. So, remember about this news and be careful.